Alright, so this is the Tabletop Hobbyist, and I will be making some homemade flocking here today. So what I'm going to do is take some sawdust. I actually had gotten some sawdust from a friend of mine. Just got a couple scoopfuls, put it in some cups, and I've been holding it for this. I actually used this homemade flocking on a previous project where I made some trees. But, so I have unfiltered raw sawdust right here, and what I like to do usually is put it in a little sieve like this, and then just put it into a old container. I think this might actually be from some salad or something. I have no idea, but put it in here like this, and then just filter it all out as much as I can. So after a little bit, you can see lots of very, very fine sawdust that we'll use. So now what I usually do is start thinking about what color I want to make. So I'm going to use a little bit of this holiday green craft paint. Eyeball it, maybe about that much. I'm going to use some black to darken it, and I'm just going to eyeball the whole thing and kind of play it by ear, I guess. See how I like it, and maybe just a smidge of brown. Then I have, these are just barbecue skewers, and I'm gonna put a hit of water in it just to thin it out a little bit. So now I'm actually pretty happy with this green. It's starting to look like maybe a pine green, or a deep forest green, or something along those lines. But I'm pretty happy with it right now. So after mixing, I put it in this disposable aluminum foil pan. Just kind of layer it out there on one layer. Now what I'll do is I'll kind of go through and just give it another quick mix with my hands. Make sure there's no big massive clumps. Because the next step is going to be putting it into the oven. So, what I like to do is put my oven on 175 and put my oven on 175 and just let it go until I feel that it's nice and dry to the touch. Here I'm taking out the flocking to check if it's dry and also break up any large clumps that may have formed. After about 20 minutes in the oven, I take the flocking out to test if it's dry enough. Then I go through and break up any large clumps. I like to use a medium-sized to-go container to store it for later. Using flocking can add depth and texture to otherwise flat terrain. Making your own flocking can save you money and give you the exact look you might be going for that store-bought flocking can't get you. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and like the video. I would appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.